If you're looking for top-notch 3D modeling design services in Marathahalli, Bengaluru, then look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. This company is an absolute game-changer in the world of design, and their expertise in 3D modeling design is truly unmatched. From architectural designs to product prototypes, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has the skills and technology to bring your ideas to life. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other design companies is their commitment to innovation and creativity. They understand the importance of standing out in a competitive market and strive to deliver designs that are not only visually stunning but also functional and practical. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, their team of talented designers will work closely with you to ensure that your vision is realized. One of the many advantages of choosing SCON Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D modeling design needs is their state-of-the-art technology. They utilize the latest software and hardware to create highly detailed and realistic 3D models that accurately represent your ideas. With their expertise in rendering, animation, and visualization, you can rest assured that the final product will exceed your expectations. Another reason to be excited about SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is their vast experience in the industry. They have successfully completed numerous projects for clients across various sectors, including architecture, interior design, automotive, and more. Their portfolio speaks volumes about their talent and dedication to delivering exceptional designs. Furthermore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd offers personalized services tailored to meet your specific requirements. They understand that each project is unique and requires a customized approach. Are you looking for exceptional 3D modeling design services in Marathahalli, Bengaluru? Look no further, because SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your design needs. With their expertise and innovative approach, they are revolutionizing the world of design. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a leading provider of 3D modeling design services, catering to a wide range of industries and businesses. Their team of skilled professionals is well-versed in the latest design techniques and software, ensuring that they deliver high-quality and visually stunning 3D models. Whether you need architectural designs, product prototypes, or visualizations for your marketing campaigns, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd can bring your ideas to life with their exceptional 3D modeling design services. One of the key advantages of choosing SCON Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D modeling design needs is their commitment to understanding your vision and requirements. They work closely with clients to ensure that every detail is captured accurately in the